Take control. Why budgeting matters. You work hard for your money. Don't you want to tell it where to go? That's what budgeting is all about. It's about taking control of your finances. A budget gives you a plan. It helps you reach your financial goals. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend. You might feel like you're always broke. Budgeting helps you break this cycle. It helps you understand where your money is going. Then you can make changes to spend less than you earn. A budget brings peace of mind. You'll stress less about money. You'll know you can cover your bills. You'll also be prepared for unexpected expenses. Budgeting empowers you to take control of your financial future. Start today. You won't regret it. Building a budget is the first step to financial freedom. It's the foundation for a strong financial future. Know your numbers, income and expenses. To create a budget, you need to know your income. How much money do you earn each month? Include your salary, wages, and any other sources of income. Write down the total amount. Next, track your expenses. How much do you spend each month? Track everything. Include your rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation costs. Don't forget about entertainment, dining out, and subscriptions. Be honest with yourself about your spending habits. Look for areas where you can cut back. Small changes can make a big difference over time. For example, brewing your coffee at home instead of buying it can save you a lot. Once you know your income and expenses, you can calculate your net income. This is the amount of money you have left over after paying your expenses. If your net income is negative, you need to reduce your expenses. You can do this by finding ways to cut costs or increase your income. Set your sights. Defining your financial goals. Why are you creating a budget? What do you want to achieve? Do you want to get out of debt? Save for a down payment on a house? Retire early? These are all great financial goals. Having clear goals will keep you motivated. It will help you stay on track with your budget. When you know what you're working towards, it's easier to make sacrifices. You'll be more likely to stick to your budget. Write down your goals. Be specific. How much money do you need to save? By when do you want to achieve your goal? Break down large goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Remember, your goals are personal. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on what's important to you. Your goals will guide your budget and help you create a brighter financial future. Building your budget, a step-by-step guide. Now it's time to create your budget. Start with your income. Write down all your sources of income and the total amount. Then list your expenses. Categorize them, such as housing, transportation, and food. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This is your net income. Ideally, your net income should be a positive number. If it's negative, you're spending more than you earn. Allocate your net income to your financial goals. How much will you save each month? How much will you put toward debt repayment? Be realistic about how much you can afford to allocate. The 50-30-20 budget is a great starting point. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Adjust the percentages based on your individual circumstances. Budgeting tools, your financial sidekicks. Technology can make budgeting easier. There are many budgeting apps and tools available. These tools can help you track your income and expenses. They can also categorize your spending and generate reports. Some popular budgeting apps include Monarch Money, Why and Abe, You Need a Budget, Pocket Guard, and Empower. These apps connect to your bank accounts and credit cards. They automatically track your transactions. Many banks and credit card companies offer free budgeting tools. These tools may not be as comprehensive as paid apps. However, they can still be helpful in managing your finances. Choose a tool that works best for you. The most important thing is to use it consistently. Technology can be a powerful ally in your budgeting journey. Stay the course. Consistency is key. Creating a budget is just the first step. The key to success is consistency. Stick to your budget as much as possible. Review it regularly to see how you're doing. Track your spending, daily or weekly. This will help you stay on top of your finances. It will also make it easier to identify areas where you need to adjust your spending. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget as needed. Life is full of surprises. Your income or expenses may change. Be flexible and adjust your budget accordingly. Remember, budgeting is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be times when you overspend or make mistakes. Don't give up. Learn from your mistakes and keep going. Review and adapt your evolving budget. Your budget is a living document. It should evolve as your life changes. Review your budget regularly, at least monthly. Make sure it still aligns with your financial goals. Check your progress towards your goals. Are you on track to save for a down payment? Are you paying down debt as planned? If not, adjust your budget accordingly. Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for sticking to your budget. This will help you stay motivated. Budgeting is a journey of continuous improvement. Be patient with yourself and keep learning. Over time, you'll master your money and achieve your financial dreams.